everybody, it's Julie the Whippy Chick, and I hope you're doing great today. I told you the other day in a video that I uploaded about the great deals for crafters that are coming out of the Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree! I showed you a lot of really great finds that I discovered there. I knew about the yarn, but I did not know about the other things. So I wanted to show them to you. What I did not tell you in that video was that there was a reason why I bought all that stuff. Now, I bought a lot of hooks. Why would I buy a lot of hooks? I have a ton of hooks. I don't need any more hooks. But maybe you do. So, you guessed it, giveaway. I've got a Dollar Tree giveaway for you. I love giveaways. I love giveaways. I'm kind of getting addicted to them. So let me show you what is going to be in this fabulous giveaway. The first thing is the little box, bucket, I don't know what you call this, little container of buttons. They're so cute. And there's a ton of them, and they're all different sizes and colors. So that is going to be in the giveaway. Next item. I love these so much. I bought two of them. One for me, one for you. They're llama stickers, and they're just so cute. I just love them. So yes, those are going in the giveaway. Number 3, some great scissors to put in your go bag. Love them. And they're little and they're just the perfect size. Item number 4. Well, 4, 5, 6, and 7. First, we've got these hooks. They're plastic hooks. Maybe you like them, maybe you don't. You certainly don't have to have them if you don't want them. They are sizes 5 millimeter, 5.5 millimeter, 6 millimeter, and 6.5 millimeter. So you've got 4 hooks there. Love it. And a couple of aluminum hooks. We've got a 5 millimeter and a 5.5 millimeter. Yay! Next, 1, 2, 3, 4 skeins. 4 skeins of Premier Just yarn. I do love this yarn. I really, really do. Not just saying it, I love it. It's by Premier. It's very similar to the Premier Basics, which I use all the time. That's my favorite yarn. And this is very, very similar by the same company. So these are 131 yards, 120 millimeters, medium weight, 4-weight yarn, and the color is slate. It's really like a denim blue. Love this color. So that's the next item. Hopefully I don't knock my camera over. And the last thing I showed you was that they had fabric. They had some fabric squares. So I'm not a seamstress, but I took a couple of these fabric squares and I made a cinch bag for you to put all of your stuff in. So let's put it in now. Make sure it all fits. I'm sure it will. It's a very big bag. But it's a good little project bag to put your stuff in. And everything is going to fit right in there. Now, I am not able to send this stuff overseas. Only people in the United States and Canada are eligible to have the actual gift mailed to them. If you enter for this drawing and you are not in either Canada or the United States, I will have to send you a gift card for Amazon for $20, which is about what this is worth. So at any rate, I hope you're as excited about this giveaway as I am. I'm super excited about Dollar Tree and their crafty goodness that they're offering up. I'm not sponsored by the Dollar Tree. I'm honestly not. I did buy all of this stuff myself, and I did make the bag myself. Again, I'm not a seamstress, so don't get too excited about that. Yeah, so you have to be 18 to win. All the regular rules apply. I'll leave a description of the rules down below. And let's see. I need you to answer a question. Got it. What's your favorite Naughty Hooker video? And if you don't have a favorite Naughty Hooker video, you're going to have to check them out. Go on over to my shorts videos playlist. They're only a minute long, not even. And check them out and let me know in the description box below what's your favorite Naughty Hooker video. All right, people, I will talk to you soon. I will be drawing this prize. Let's see. I'll have to check my calendar. Just a second. Sorry about that. I had to check the calendar. I will be drawing the winner for this gift bag on April 18th. All right. Good luck, everybody. Have a great day. Bye-bye.